What's up, everyone? Welcome back to BATV. If you know anything about this Prelude chassis, you know that there's an air box that runs all the way down. It's very awkward. There's multiple pieces to it, and arguably the most annoying piece is the one that's tucked way down underneath the throttle body. It has 3 mounting points, and one of which you can only reach by getting underneath the car. Well, I managed to unbolt this piece entirely, and now I'm trying to get it out of the car. So watch me struggle with this.
Notice the difference in this clip versus this clip in the daylight outside. This took much longer than I anticipated it would.
Alright guys, so I've had this electronic ETM for this 1989 Honda Prelude pulled up on my phone and on the computer for several days now. I've been trying to figure out where exactly there might be a short in this cluster so that I can figure out if it's going to operate or not.
Behind the dash here is ground 471, just behind the radio. I removed that ground and you can see it right there. I'm actually reworking it and going to reinstall it. Hopefully that might help.
So right now it seems like the clock, the radio, and the gauge cluster do not operate, which is really puzzling because the cluster has its own ground and the clock and the radio have a separate ground. One of them is behind the dash and one of them is near the radio. For the life of me, I cannot figure this out. To be quite honest, I do not know if this cluster is in functioning order. Sometime this weekend, I plan to go visit a friend who has a parts car, and hopefully he will have some things.
So because I couldn't figure out the cluster today, I decided just to do some general cleaning and took a shop vac around the back seat and trunk area. It looks much better, and I do plan to clean it more thoroughly than this.